What if you could work anytime you want, even at 2 a.m.? No alarms. No bosses breathing down your neck. Just quiet, flexible, real income. Sounds good, right? Today I'm revealing 13 remote jobs you can do 24/7. Jobs that actually pay. Jobs that don't require degrees. Jobs you can start from home. And yes, some of these work globally. Maybe you're a night owl. Maybe you have a crazy schedule. Maybe you just want freedom. Whatever your reason, this list will help you. But first, a quick question. Have you ever wondered why you're awake at 1 a.m. scrolling? Thinking, there must be a way to earn right now, because you're not alone. Honestly, millions feel the same. And these jobs solve that problem. Before we dive in, watch till the end for the tool that made me $100. And if you want weekly real money making tools, hit subscribe right now. And tap the bell. Now let's begin. Job number 1. Data entry. The classic remote starter job. It's simple. It's flexible. And companies need it constantly. If you can type, you can start. You're just inputting information. No pressure. Perfect for late night sessions. Job number 2. Transcription. Converting audio into text. Podcasters need help. YouTubers need help. Businesses need help. If you listen well, this is perfect. Plus, it pays better than you expect. Job number 3. Chat support. Many companies hire agents worldwide. And some run 24/7. Which means you can log in when you want. Answer messages. Close tickets. Log off when done. Easy. Job number 4. Online moderation. Watching communities. Approving posts. Removing spam. Basically keeping the internet clean. Everyone needs this. And the hours are always flexible. Job number 5. Search engine evaluation. Big companies pay for this. You test search results. Rate how accurate they are. Give feedback. That's literally it. Very flexible. Job number 6. Content rewriting. Not writing from scratch. Just rewriting what exists. Making it clearer, cleaner, or more readable. Simple work. And available worldwide. Job number 7. Product descriptions. E-commerce platforms need thousands of these. If you can describe things in simple words, you're hired. And you can do it any time of day. Job number 8. Paid surveys. Yes, the legit ones exist. No, they won't make you rich. But they will pay you for your time. And you choose when to do them. Midnight? Noon? Doesn't matter. Job number 9. User testing. Companies want feedback. You test apps. Test websites. Record your thoughts. Share what works. Share what doesn't. Quick tasks. Decent pay. Job number 10. Virtual assistant work. This is broader. Emails. Scheduling. Organizing. Small admin tasks. Businesses need this daily. And many allow asynchronous work. Meaning you do tasks when you're free. Even late. Job number 11. Social media caption writing. Brands need short captions. Short hooks. Simple descriptions. Quick tasks. Great for creative minds. And totally schedule free. Job number 12. Microtasking. Small online tasks. Tagging images. categorizing content, rating videos. It's repetitive but easy. Works for night owls perfectly. Job number 13. The flexible freelancer, basically choosing tiny gigs. On your own time. Across multiple platforms. A mix of writing, data work, research, testing, and more. You clock in when you want. You clock out when you want. It's total freedom. Now let's talk reality. These jobs won't make you a millionaire. They're not get-rich schemes. They are real, slow, consistent income streams. And that's powerful. Especially if you combine several. Want to maximize earnings? Use 2 or 3 of these together. Work 1 hour here. 30 minutes there. Build a rhythm. And watch your weekly income rise. Now here's an important reminder. Always check for scams. Never pay a fee. Never buy job access. Real work pays you. Not the other way around. Let's talk about time zones. This is a secret advantage. Your late night might be someone else's business hours. That means more job opportunities. More open shifts. More flexibility. So yes, being a night owl can actually help. Here are a few quick success tips. Stay consistent. Keep your profiles updated. Deliver tasks on time. Keep quality high. Track your hours. Review your earnings weekly. It adds up fast. And opportunities grow. Don't underestimate small steps. They compound over time. Now let's talk about the bonus job. The one many people ignore. But it's incredibly powerful. Online micro-editing. Fixing small paragraphs. Improving sentences. Cleaning grammar. Tweaking descriptions. 5-minute tasks. But huge demand. And totally flexible across all hours. This one helped me personally. I tried it late at night. Took a few tasks. Completed them quietly. And guess what? I made my first $100. That's why you should watch till the end. Because this job changes things. Like this? Subscribe so you don't miss the next drop. Because I share real remote income tools. Every single week. No fluff. No hype. No fake promises. Just real opportunities. Now back to the final tips. Start with one job. Explore. Test. Try another one. Combine 2. Build your workflow. Create your weekly plan. You'll notice growth. Less stress. More freedom. And more stability. That's the goal. Not overnight success. But steady progress. And you can absolutely do it. Whether you're a student, a parent, a beginner, or someone restarting from zero, remote work is wide open. You just need the right entry points. And now you have 13 of them. So what's next? It's your turn. Pick one job today. Yes, today. Don't wait for the perfect moment. Momentum creates motivation. Not the other way around. Try it. Test it. Learn from it. Then apply again. That's the path. Now before we wrap up, drop a comment below. Tell me what job you're starting with. Or if you want a part 2. I'll reply and help you choose what fits best. Tomorrow's upload is the one that changes everything. So subscribe right now. Click the bell. Because you do not want to miss what's coming. I drop these real remote work tools every week. Tools that actually help. Tools that build income. Tools that give freedom. No hype. Just clarity. Just value. Just opportunities. See you in tomorrow's video. Take action today.